A network contains two basic elements: the nodes, which represent the people or other entities, and the ties or edges, which represent the relation between the nodes. If you design a network research, you should consider four basic issues. The first issue concerns the perspective of network research. The network perspective as a whole should be applied in a research that focuses on the structure of relations between all members. An example for the whole network perspective would be a research project that examines the degree of centralization of the informal communication network in an organization. Another perspective is the egocentric perspective. The egocentric perspective should be applied in a research that focuses on networks centered around one node. Egocentric data can be extracted from whole network, examining the nodes connected to the observed social actor. Researchers tend to study ego networks in order to explore individuals' potential and reaching social resources, such as social support in an organization. The second issue concerns the characteristics of the studied network. The main characteristic of a network describes the way in which connections change within the network over time. In life, social networks usually change dynamically in the sense that new connections form and others break off among individuals. However, many datasets offer a single snapshot of a given network. Network researchers should take into consideration the network's dynamism if the change is relevant to their hypothesis. Therefore, the main question is whether the change of the network has relevance in your research. The third issue concerns the characteristics of the nodes. One-mode networks include relations between similar actors. Multimode networks consist of multiple heterogeneous actors among which various types of interactions could occur. An example of a multimode network in the field of online marketing is a structure which considers online advertisements and Google inquiries as social actors along with the internet users, even though the users are the major node under consideration. The fourth issue concerns the characteristics of relations. The most widely analyzed relation is mutual sympathy and affection, which form friendship networks. Some researchers consider mutual sympathy as the most effective formation for information spread in an organization. Network research can focus on other types of relations as well, such as work-related instructions, interaction, trust, or dislike. A relation can be characterized by its direction, its emotional charge, and its strength. You will find more details about the characteristics of networks, nodes, and relations in the summary of this chapter.